still on the dirt. Heading southwest.
Any chance here, John?
I'm coming. I'm in Grapeseed. I had to kill that.
Sandy airfield, Sandy airfield. Onto the airstrip now. Literally on the sandy airstrip.
Just fucking pick the cunt off the bike or what?
Get out of here!
He's took right off the sandy airstrip, heading to the train tracks. Oh my god! I've just picked him in the heli.
My god. Dead.
He's dead. He's dead. He's dead.
Right.
Going back for the other chick.
Holy shit! Holy oh my god!
Keep the 64 med kits, Steve. Just take
64 men. Fuck, bro!
Oh, I have money on me. You can take that.
Oh, say less. Say less.
The helicopter pit.
I've never done that in my life. I'm never going to recreate that in my life again.
You know how sad I was when I said I'm gonna get shot for 64 med kits?
Oh, fuck.
Oh, God.
Are you good, John?
We're in Grapeseed trying to get this chick.
Okay.
But there's a car here with us.
What? Do you need help?
I need help in Grapeseed, maybe?
Alright, we're going.
We'll come back, maybe. No guarantee.
Or maybe get their radio.
Oh, true, but I need you to pick me up.
Yeah.
Steve, can we get your heli over?
No, our fuel. Our fuel.
Out of here. Steve's gonna get on their radio now.
808.8.